In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Meet attendance reports. This is a useful tool for anyone who hosts or participates in online meetings and wants to keep track of who attended. First, you'll want to go to Gmail. You can do this by opening your web browser, heading over to the Google homepage, and clicking on the Gmail link in the top right corner of the page. You'll need to log in with your Google account if you're not already. Once you're in Gmail, you're just a few clicks away from finding your attendance reports. Next, look through your inbox. You're on the hunt for an email that was automatically sent to you after your Google Meet session concluded. This email is your entry point to your attendance information. If you have a lot of emails, you may want to use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the message. You can try using keywords like Google Meet attendance or even the date of your meeting to make your search more efficient. After you've located the email related to the meeting you attended, go ahead and click on it. This is where Google often provides a summary of your meeting, including the attendance report, which is typically attached as a downloadable link or document within this email. Opening this file will give you a detailed breakdown of who joined your meeting and for how long they were present. The attendance report usually includes the names and email addresses of the participants, along with the time they joined and left the meeting. This information can be incredibly useful, especially for educators or business professionals who need to track engagement during their sessions. Keep in mind that, depending on your organization's G Suite settings, you may have varying levels of information available to you. If you're not seeing attendance reports, you might want to speak with your IT administrator to ensure your account has the appropriate permissions. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to accessing Google Meet attendance reports via Gmail. By following these simple instructions, you can quickly determine who attended your virtual gatherings, making it easier to follow up or share required follow-up materials. Remember to routinely check your inbox after each meeting for these valuable reports. Doing so helps ensure you maintain a complete record of attendance for all of your virtual meetings. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide useful, and I look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.